So we got this question based on the current topic. Let L1 be the tangent to the parabola this. Okay. So this is the standard parabola and we have memorized standard parabola result only. Okay. And we are talking about tangent. So can I write A equals MC? Okay. And L2 be the tangent to the parabola this. Okay. This is also same parabola. Right side opening. So we don't have any problem. Such that L1 and L2 intersect at right angle. Okay, both are right angle intersecting at right angle. This means product of slope will be minus of 1. Okay, then L1 and L2 meet on the straight line. So we have to find out intersection of line 1 and line 2. Now look at this, how we will approach. Like you know that we have memorized one result, y equals mx plus c. We can convert any straight line into this line. Okay. Also we have memorized standard parabola to look like y square equals 4ax. Okay. And for tangency we have memorized AMC. A equals MC. Okay. Now look at this. I will connect with L1. Now be very slow. Now look at this. For L1, can I write y equals mx plus c? In place of c, can I write, a by m? Okay. For these parabola I can write, but for this I cannot write. Okay. So now I'll connect with that one. You guys have studied in circle this concept how I have replaced those x and y. Look at this. Here we don't have problem with y because y look alike. Hai. We can write y as y. Now m is m. But look at this. Here x is different and here x is different. So you have to replace x. So x plus 1 plus a by m. Now look at this, who is a? You know that y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is 1. So 1 by m. I hope till this part you are comfortable. Now I'll go with L2. Who is L2? Same game because the parabola is standard. Y equals mx plus a equals to mc. So c will be equal to a by m. Now I'll update this equation. Now you know that you don't have problem with x. X is same. Sorry, y is same. So y is y. M is m. But x is changed. So can I go with x plus 2 plus a by m? So who is a? Now look at this. It is 4ax. So 4 is 4. In place of 8 should be 2. Then only you will have 8. Na? So can I write 2 by m? Comfortable? Now look at this. Both are two different straight lines. So I cannot use same m. So I'll substitute 1, 1, 2, 2. So slope of line 1 is m1, slope of line 2 is m2. Now look at this. Such that line L1 and L2 intersect at right angle. So your line L1 and L2 intersect at right angle. So can I go with m1, m2 equals minus 1 because it's a right angle. Na? Now I want to write m1 as m. So can I write m2 as minus of 1 by m? Correct? Now let's update your line L1. So L1 will look like y equals m x plus 1 plus 1 by m. Now look at your line L2. So your line L2 will look like y equals, y equals, in place of m2 I can write minus of 1 by m x plus 2 minus 2m. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Okay. Now look at this. These guys are interested in finding then L1 and L2 meet on the straight line. Meet means what? Intersection point. So we have to find out intersection point of line L1 and L2. So can I apply substitution in these two lines? Okay, here also it is y equal to something, here also it is y equal to something. So I'll substitute. So can I write m times x plus 1 plus 1 by m equals minus x plus 2 by m minus 2m. Can I multiply both sides by m? So we will have m square x m square plus 1 minus x minus 2 minus 2m square. Now I'll ask everyone to come on same side. So here also we have x, here also we have x. So these two things will get clubbed. So m square plus 1 x. Now 2m square minus this is m square plus. So it will become 3m square minus 2 plus 1. So plus 3. Correct? Now can I factorize? So m square plus 1 x plus 3 m square plus 1. Now look at this. Here also we have m square plus 1, m square plus 1. So can I take common? So we will be having m square plus 1 into x plus 3 equals to 0. So we got product of these two things as 0. But do you really think that this person can be 0? No. M square is always greater than equal to 0. But if you add 1 to it, its minimum value will become 1, not 0. Okay, so the whole responsibility is on this person, that x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So we got this condition. Hence, the line L1 and L2 will meet on the straight line this. I hope idea is clear.